Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Going to do a tune-up report on this RCI-2970N2. This is for Victor in New York. Victor asked me to put echo in here. We got a knob on the side there. He also asked for a recorder module. I got a switch over here that put the switch up, it'll record for up to 18 seconds. Put the switch down, it waits for you to key the microphone, and when you do, it starts playing what you recorded. Alright, let's check out the power on this rig, Victor. Set the meter for 10 watts. Right about 6. Now set the meter for 100. Turn the power all the way up to 60. My peak power meter is a 500 slug today. Here's 200, 300, 250 is a little mark. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on sideband, audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. There you have it. You heard the echo a little bit. Let's go back to check audio. Turn that way up. Audio. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn that down. Audio. Check. Now I noticed you didn't select any talkback, so here's a good starting spot for you. Right there at the 10 or 11 o'clock mark with both knobs. Sounds pretty good right there. Check audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's a good spot. Brager 19 for a radio check. How about it, gentlemen? How's this radio sound out there? Check 1, 2. Appreciate your comeback, sir. Have a great day.